Install software, choose C or exe. Some software sites allow to download their software to be installed either as an C file or as an exe file. When given the option, which one should one choose to download for installing software, i.e., what are the advantages of using the C file instead of the installer.exe? I do understand the difference between both, in that the C file is an installation package that will be processed by a Windows installer executable, and the exe file is an executable containing the installer and installation files. But what is the real benefit of choosing C over exe? In the end, the result is the same. Or not?
Usually MZ packages are provided for system administrators who would have the need to deploy the software to several terminals over a network. The results are no different from using an executable, but MZ packages sometimes do have additional options such as doing silent or pre-configured installs. If you are not a system administrator, use the executable.
The C files are relational databases and used by the Microsoft Installation Service. This service installs applications onto the computer. The C files offer far more flexibility for application installation and maintenance than older scripted executable programs could ever provide, thus C files are the current recommended method for installations on Windows.
There is no real advantage of X over Z other than if you use WinRAR or some others, you can usually extract all files from a Z file without needing to install anything.
Sometimes, especially when installing net applications, there is a setup.x and an Z. In the case of net, the setup.x can check to make sure the system has all the proper prerequisites installed, like the net framework, etc., for running the application. If your system is missing one of these prerequisites, it can prompt you to install them first before running application, which could save from having the app successfully install, but then fail to run because of a missing library or framework. If you have all the prerequisites, the setup.x just launches the Z.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.